It wasn't faith or enterprise or industrial inspiration that brought the factory here in the first place. It was an accident. By chance, the company was looking for a new ready-made building to ease the cramp it was experiencing in Birmingham. By an equal chance, that building was here in Presteigne, a building that was being vacated by a firm that had been helping Britain's war drive. By 1950, 4 years after the takeover, Kaye still employed only 32 people. Its turnover was modest, so was its payroll. With government metal restrictions clamped on the die-casting industry, the weekly wage bill slumped to a demoralizing £90. But with the solid backing of the townspeople of Presteigne, the company gradually began to win back lost ground, and then to overhaul and pass all its targets. As it expanded and spread into a vast new building, the recruitment of local labour grew around the nucleus of only 2 skilled key workers brought in from Birmingham. An industrial accident turned into a commercial success story. And now the factory, in the smallest and unlikeliest town in what many think is still an unlikely area of industrial growth, employs nearly 200 Radnorshire people. It has 17 aluminium and 13 zinc die casting machines working round the clock in 3 shifts. The factory is a main strut of the motor and electrical industries. It turns out components for marine engines, for radio sets, for lawnmowers, for domestic gadgets. Name it in zinc or aluminium, and Presteigne provides it.